according to the data provided by the National Fire Protection Association in the United States. The manufacturing industry experiences an average of 37,000 fires each year. These events have led to the tragic loss of 18 lives, the injuries of 279 individuals, and inflicted direct property damage valued at $10 million. In hazardous locations, conditions will become increasingly severe. Digital transformation offers the promise of a more efficient and stable manufacturing process, significantly reduce the risk of accidents and minimize losses, enhancing product quality and boosting production efficiency. However, given the unique challenges presented by hazardous locations, have you found yourself unable to proceed with implementation, thereby missing out on the digital transformation opportunities? The Joy Factory has committed itself for years to the development of protective enclosures for tablets in hazardous locations. The Action Extreme series enclosures have garnered extensive collaboration experience with international corporations. The robust Action Extreme enclosure is designed to protect both the tablet and user from the following potential hazards: vapors and dust, liquid and mist, drop impact, ignition source. In addition, there are various accessories available. Apple iPad, Microsoft Surface are all compatible with our Action Extreme enclosures. Are you ready to empower your workforce?